Hey guys, it's me the back on Ace, and today I'm going to be shooting a short little video showcasing my most recent craft project and also my only craft project in the last 4 to 6 months. I've been away for a couple of reasons like exams, and now that I'm back I plan and intend on making a lot of exciting videos, most of them being Halloween themed. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm not going to give away all the ideas right away, but I hope you guys enjoy those videos. So what have we got here in front of us? It looks like a map of some sort, and as you can see it's definitely just paper, so I don't know if I can even classify it as a craft project, but I had to cut a lot of paper, so I'll call it a craft project rather than a simple art project. So this thing took me about a week, more specifically 6 days I'd say. And what we have here in front of us is, as you could guess from the word Wonderland and the cat right here, it's a dead giveaway for Alice in Wonderland. So why did I make an Alice in Wonderland map? Long story short, we had a Family Week event for physics students, and one of the events was Quantum Centenary, where we had to explain quantum mechanics to folks from art background and school students who are fascinated by this topic. So me and my friends, two other friends under the group name The Entangled Minds, came up with this idea to use Alice in Wonderland and use it as a means to explain quantum mechanics to other enthusiasts. So yeah, shout out to my other two friends, Shriju and Ayush. They helped me come up with this idea. The craft work I did on my own though, but they'll be helping me again write things on these empty spaces because it's looking incomplete as of now. We are going to add some descriptions and some riddles, fun stuff to entice the audience or the Alice or whoever enters the quantum tunnel. So yeah, let's start from the top. What have we got here? We've got the title, some scenery, and a tunnel. So this tunnel, instead of reading out down the rabbit hole, we've got down the quantum tunnel. So yeah, let's enter the rabbit hole of quantum mechanics. First up, we've got a clock. Now this is supposed to symbolize the history of quantum mechanics, and it's been 100 years. That's not 100, but I guess 10 counts as a multiple or a whatever. I don't care. It was it looked cool. So the first landmark we come across is the Meadow of Duality. Now we'll be talking about the wave particle nature of light and introduce a little bit of electron things as well, because that's gonna help me in my next description. So this part I'm going to explain to the audience myself, and it's gonna be about the the wave function itself. So as you can see, it's referenced from Mad Hatter's Probability Party. It's a pun. It's supposed to be Mad Hatter's Party from Alice in Wonderland with a quantum mechanical twist. So yeah, what have we got here? It's a teapot with a wave design and two cups with particle designs. So that's my analogy that I just came up with on a whim one day. So what this is supposed to represent is, while the liquid that you'll be serving is inside, as long as the liquid you'll be serving is inside the pot, you don't know about it, so it's in a probabilistic format. But the moment you pour it out on a piece of, or on a cup, then you know what the liquid is, thus giving away the particle nature or a deeper information about which particle it represents or other stuff. So that's my metaphor for the wave function. And if you come down here, we've got another important location. It's also the most important one because it's directly referenced from the title. It's the quantum field of Schrodinger's cat. Now here, one of my friends will be explaining the Schrodinger cat experiment, and hopefully it's gonna help the audience understand about the next locations on the map. So this is going to be about Schrodinger cat with, I also added a little Easter egg. That's Schrodinger's glasses, by the way. Yeah, that's that. And if we come down here, we've got the maze of many worlds, which using the Schrodinger's cat explanation or the experiment, we can give one of the possibilities, which is the multiverse theory, using a maze, because a maze represents many paths, and I thought that would make sense. So yeah, that's that. And once we have understood all these things, we'll be able to dive into the actual applications of quantum mechanics, which is quantum computing. So yeah, we'll be handling that right there. And finally, we've got the pool of uncertainty, just because it's a very important principle in quantum mechanics as well. So far that's all we've got. I tried to incorporate most of the famous things from quantum mechanics. It's not focusing. Okay, there it is. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got some inspiration, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what to do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.